Hey everyone, so I made it back into Cracker Barrel. There is a few new items. Look at this cupcake, it's so pretty, really pretty. It does light up for $13, not bad. The snowman is going to be 20. He is really cute. He will light up. And look at this guy. He looks like a snowman astronaut, right? With a little snow globe for a head. And that is 25. That is like so cute. And I like this guy. Oh gosh, let me see if I can find out. They do normally have one in Kohl's, but Kohl's could be like really pricey even though it's on sale. They'll put it on sale. $40. He's 40. He's really cute. You know, this tree is a musical and these doggies are gonna move around. Look at the elves. I just noticed that, like a little baby one or something turning on that light. Santa beard bib. And you guys, they do have earrings if you're all about that. Little dress. Look at the snowman and tree for 25. And look at this one. I like this pattern. That's actually cute. And look, they even have like a really cute handbag, like a peppermint heart for 17. And then your sweaters, of course, I think we might have seen these already. The dog with the dog's in the car, the pink one. Grandma's sugar cookie. That's a kind of cute book. Oh snap. And look, you guys, right here they have Santa on the crane. You know, he's gonna put up the tree. Here's a little elf. Go Santa. He's gonna put up the star. This is $100. 100. And the gingerbread house on top is 50. I love that. It is full of glitter. And they have this one, they're calling the Santel Workshop for 50. Have little gnomes all around it. So they have like these cute little snow globe pens. They're $4. There's a little penguin in it. Those are cute, and they're really loving this large like gingerbread snow globe. I can't tell you the price, but they did have nutcrackers, so like $59.99 for that medium and $100 for that tall green one. Really cool trees. It's like spinning in there like confetti. That's kind of cool. The gingerbread salt and pepper shakers. They have We Believe. And look at that blow mold for only $35. That vintage blow mold. I love it. Then soap. Oh, you know what? Have we seen this one already? I think we might have seen this one. No price on this one. Cute ornaments. The gingerbread one, $3 with the cookie cutter. Little gingerbread girl in the corner. Don't forget about your nutcracker. I love it. Oh, Cracker Barrel, so hard to film. You know, because right up front when people are leaving, paying. Hey, they have this guy right here at the at-home store. They have that one, like a large one. Okay. Oh yeah, let me see if I can scoot back, you guys. So sorry. Oh, you know what? They also have the reindeer blow mold. Here's the tree. Ah, so pretty, and it smells so amazing in here. Oh, look at some pink vibes for you. I know we've seen these trees before in the previous video. Oh gosh, the snow globe, Merry Christmas. Little cute snowman, and they do have the house. Let's find out how much. Oh, no price on that, but they have this like a present. That's cute. Let's see, $59.99, so $60 for that one. The ceramic tree is gonna be $50. It is glittered out. I love that. These snowflakes are really cool, right? The glitter angel is gonna be $40. Look at that large angel for $259. It looks like glass, right? It does. And look at that wreath. It's gonna be $80. Little jewel box. Let's see, gift box is $59.98 or $99. These are $5.99 for the large and 7. These are 4. Here's one with owls on it, like on a little branch, for $59.99, so $60. 50 here for like a little cabin, like a cabin church. I don't know, I love it. And 50, I'm just loving the Christmas vibes and the smell. You have to smell. It smells like winter in here, even though it's not. $2.99. Oh, those are really cool. Those are 3. Look at the cinnamon one. That's kind of cool. They have a little wooden tree. Oh, I love that. Keep in mind, Walmart does have a little woodsy collection going on. $59 and $99. Look at Santa. Snow on it and glitter. We have the Snowman. He is $25. 25 for him. Little snow globe. Loving the icicle trees. You will get 3 for $189. I honestly feel like that's a really good deal. Oh, I love it. They're so pretty. And you guys, I think that might do it here in Cracker Barrel. Like everything else is like something different. Like Cardinals, children's stuff. Thank you so much for joining me on this second walkthrough of Cracker Barrel. But look down here, $50 for a unicorn.